Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Tally for lightweight surveys with responsive design, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Tally for lightweight surveys with responsive design, begin by navigating to the Tally website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on the Create a New Survey button. Choose a template that fits your survey needs or start from scratch. You will be taken to the Survey Editor interface. Here, customize your survey title and description for clarity. Next, start adding questions by selecting the Add Question button. Choose the question type that suits your survey, such as multiple choice or short answer. For each question, write clear and concise text. Adjust the settings for each question, such as required responses or answer options. Ensure your survey is lightweight by limiting the number of questions. To improve user experience, enable the responsive design feature in the settings. This option ensures that your survey looks good on all devices, including smartphones and tablets. You can preview your survey by clicking the Preview button to see how it appears to respondents. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview. Once satisfied with your survey, click on the Publish button. A link to your survey will be generated for sharing. Now, distribute your survey link through email, social media, or other platforms. Monitor responses in the Tally dashboard as they come in. Analyze the data using the built-in analytics tools available within Tally. With these steps, you're equipped to create effective and responsive surveys using Tally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.